Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update HubSpot pipelines using Gmail email to lead step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your HubSpot account. Navigate to the settings section in the main dashboard. In the left sidebar, locate and click on Objects. Under Objects, select Deals. Scroll down to find the Pipelines setting. Click on Pipelines to view your existing ones. Identify the pipeline you wish to update. Note the stages within that pipeline. Next, open your Gmail account in a new tab. Compose a new email. In the field, enter the designated HubSpot email address for lead creation. In the subject line, write a clear title for your lead. In the body of the email, include the relevant details about the lead. Be sure to specify the deal stage in your message. Incorporate any additional information that might be necessary. Hit the Send button to forward the email. Return to your HubSpot account. Refresh the page to see updates in the pipeline. Locate the new deal created from your email. Click on the deal to open its details. Verify that all information is accurately represented. If necessary, adjust any details directly within HubSpot. Continue managing your pipelines as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.